My name is Jasen Wheeler, July Days 2016, class Juju Babies. What actually brought me to Ohio Media School was I was taking so much activity within my Church of Lincoln Heights Missionaries media production. And about after 2.5, 3 years of just waking up at 6:30 or so a.m. every Sunday morning trying to help one of my friend Damon White and Tony Williams with the production services, it just kind of triggered inside me like, you're waking up at 6:30 in the morning. Go get a career for this or find out what your passion is, because you're doing this at 6:30 in the morning for your church and you love it. Go see if there's a career for you somewhere. Coming to OMS with this career choice has actually been the best decision I've ever made in my life. We all make mistakes, but coming to OMS, when I look back at it, I've grown as a man. I've grown as a person working within the industry, as well as I've grown as a student as well, because OMS, they don't just teach you the basic fundamentals to get out there to succeed. They also, especially if you find a professor or instructor that you've grown close to, they really take you up under their wing and really show you tutorial things as far as education as well as life in general, whether it be media production or any aspect of your life. Currently, I'm actually a board op for WGRI Inspiration Radio, 1050 AM, 103.1 FM. I actually run 2 of the live shows on my shift. There is a Embrace Media. They have a round table at 4:00 p.m. They run from 4 to 5, where they have a round table discussion on life in general and how to better themselves. But also at 7:00 p.m., I'm actually the soundboard engineer once again for Reverend Damon Lynch III's Facebook Lives broadcast, where he actually takes the Facebook Live feed that he is currently having service from his church, and he runs it live through our radio station. But I definitely want to send a shout out to my whole Juju Baby class, June and July days. I definitely want to send a shout out to the OMS staff. I love it. This OMS, this is life. This is family. Definitely come here if you have any other type of aspirations. Definitely come here and you'll definitely fly.